Why is your car so fucking loud? But seriously, guys, your car does not have to be loud to make power. Yes, it's fun, but when your car is loud, it tends to attract attention from the wrong sorts of people. Maybe your neighbor, maybe the local police officer, maybe someone in your local, state, or federal government who wants to pass a law to prevent you from enjoying your vehicle in the way you want to. That's bad for us, it's bad for the industry, so let's try and prevent it. So what can we do? Well, we all know that loud exhausts make more power, right? No, that's not true. You need the proper exhaust to make the proper amount of power. That means sizing the exhaust correctly and making sure that you have enough flow for the power you're going to make. Now, believe it or not, a lot of stock mufflers flow really, really well. I happen to have stock mufflers on my Cadillac, and I'm producing almost 1,000 wheel horsepower. Now, would it make more with louder mufflers? Yes, but I don't need louder mufflers to make the power that I'm making right now. A lot of cars also come with factory mufflers that are actually very, very good, that actually have valved exhaust system. This car like this, completely stock.
That Daniel?
See? Yep. Guys like that are why we can't have nice things. So cars like this Camaro, which belongs to Matt here, actually come with valved exhaust from the factory, or you can actually upgrade them to aftermarket system. Matt, tell us about this particular exhaust.
All right, so this is a 2018 Camaro ZL1, and the catback exhaust I've gone with is the Borla ATAK system, and it does work with the factory NPP system, NPP being the RPO code that GM uses for the dual mode exhaust that goes from quiet to loud on the fly with press of a button, really. You can go quiet, loud. It uses factory settings. It's nice to have. Keeps things quiet, but at the same time, keep things tame, because with the Borla ATAK system, in my opinion, keeps a nice deep tone alongside with what the V8 should sound like.
Yeah, and even if someone doesn't make a valved exhaust system for your car, well, mufflers like this one happens to be from Valved Exhaust Canada, there's also Valvetronic, and other companies are available to create custom exhaust systems. I happen to buy 2 of these exhausts on a Black Friday special for $500. These are 3-inch exhausts, which means on my Cadillac, they flow enough air for about 1,200 wheel horsepower if I want to make it. Yet I can close them and remain quiet when I want to. If you wanted to get a single exhaust, a single 3.5-inch exhaust from one of these companies will be enough for 800 to 900 wheel horsepower. And we know that because our very own RWM Projects has one on his M240i, which you've seen doing launches every single day in this parking lot, and he's making about 850. So there's no reason to be loud when you don't have to be. And if you take a little extra time and invest a little bit of extra money, you can help prevent people who don't like our hobby from interfering with our hobby and the businesses that support it. So if you liked our content today, please make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hype it as well.